In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add text into your slides using text box in Google Slides. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so we have here a text, and if I go ahead and click on the text, you can see we have a text box here. However, I'd like to go ahead and create a new text box, and then we add our text and place it somewhere here. To do that, it is pretty simple. Just head over to this text option here, and you can see we have text box here. Now go ahead and click on it. Once you have clicked on it, you can see now we have that plus sign. Go ahead and draw the text box whenever or wherever you want to add the text box. And for my case, I want to add it here. You can also go ahead and increase or reduce the size. Once this is done, you can just double click inside the text box and begin to write your text like that. But you can see the text color is black or dark, mimicking the background. I'd like to go ahead and change this to white. So just go ahead and highlight the text and then come under here text color and change it to whichever color that you want. And look at that. You can also go ahead and if you want to center this text, you can just highlight it and click on align and then center like that, and it will be centered. You can also go ahead and resize it the way you want by just elongating this, or you can also move it around and place it wherever you want. So that's how you can add text using text box in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.